Hi Patreon, this is just a quick extra video for you. I have put up, or will be putting up, depending when you see this, some of my favourite massage moves for the feet. But there are a couple that I wanted to leave just for you, and some of you will already know these. They're not anything brand new, especially anyone that does reflexology or any specific massage treatments, but I wanted to show you the other two massage moves for the feet that I absolutely love. And the first one is when you support the ankle and when you hold the foot firmly and you do your ankle circles. I always think that this is brilliant for initially loosening off the foot, and to also judge when you're working on someone, just if there's any tension, any tightness, if they're resisting you, if they don't realise they're resisting you. And you can also feel if they're quite a tense person or they're maybe just not used to having a massage. All these things can actually be achieved just through supporting at that heel and ankle and just doing those little circles, and you can start to feel for things. I also love it because it's one of those moves where they used to say solar plexus to solar plexus, and it was the channel of positive energy between you and the client, and I love that. So if that's a move that you already use, you can let me know in the comments if it's also one that you use for the same reasons as I do. But I find it a brilliant way to introduce your touch to the client and also just get a feel for their tightness in their muscles, their resistance to you for a massage. I find that very useful. And my other favourite, that all our fellow reflexologists, or if you're into your energies, I love when you place your thumbs just at the middle of the top of the underside of the foot, just where the solar plexus is, and you ask your client to take a deep breath in while you take a deep breath in, and you press and you release, and you press again with your inhalation, and you release and exhale, and again inhale, exhale. And I love that because again, it's that theory of the circuit of positive energy. And I always think there's nothing nicer than starting and finishing a treatment with positive thoughts, positive energy. If the person's just not into it and you can tell immediately, you can still do the move but not tell them. If they're really not into it, you can leave the move out. But again, we've spoke about this before, that good vibes, bad vibes, when someone's changed the atmosphere in a room, or when someone comes into the room and lifts the atmosphere, you've got to be honest and say we've all experienced that when there's been a terrible vibe, a terrible energy, or likewise a great energy. We have all experienced it. So I always feel with these moves, it's just an extension of that. And again, as we've spoke about previously in different videos, if you know that you're going into a tricky situation, or you're nervous, or your client might be a bit upset or uptight or quite an angry mood, then you can do that thing where you visualise the bubble or the suit of armour, or however you like to do it. Visualise that bubble around you to protect your good energy so that you don't take on the negative energy. And again, I do feel if you do your visualisation techniques, that can really work too. So this is just an extra video for us based on some of my favourite foot massage techniques. And as always, I hope you like them, and feel free to comment and tell me yours too. I'll see you soon.